I'm Milay Kumar, working as an assistant professor, Department of Physics, in St. Joseph College of Arts and Science. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of reciprocal lattice. First, you see the definition for the reciprocal lattice. So, it is a set of imaginary points constructed in such a way that the direction of a vector from one point to another coincides with the direction of a normal to the space planes, and the separation of those points is equal to the reciprocal of the real interplanar distance. So it is the definition for the reciprocal lattice. The explanation about the reciprocal lattice. So in a crystal lattice, there exist many sets of planes with different orientations and spacings, which can cause diffraction. So the diffraction is produced due to a set of planes with different orientations and spacings. So in this, there is a D1, D2, D3, which represents the three sets of lattice planes with interplanar spacings. Let us draw from a common origin normal to all set of planes, the length of each normal being proportional to the reciprocal of the interplanar spacing of the corresponding set. So what is meant by reciprocal lattice means the end points of the normal form a lattice which represents the reciprocal lattice, so that each point in the reciprocal lattice preserves the characteristics of the set of planes which it represents. So these are the explanation about the crystal lattice diagram. So its direction with respect to the origin represents the orientation of the planes, and its distance from the origin represents the interplanar spacing of the planes. So there are some few properties about the lattice. So every crystal structure has two lattices associated with it, one which is crystal lattice and the another one is the reciprocal lattice. Vectors in the direct lattice have the dimensions of the length. So the vectors in the reciprocal lattice have the dimensions of length power minus 1. So from which we conclude direct lattice is the reciprocal of the reciprocal lattice. So in which a crystal lattice is a lattice in real space, the reciprocal lattice is a lattice in the Fourier space associated with the crystal. So that each point in a reciprocal lattice corresponds to particular set of parallel planes of the direct lattice. Next, the volume of a unit cell of the reciprocal lattice is inversely proportional to the volume of unit cell of the direct lattice, which means the volume of a unit cell of direct lattice decreases, then the volume of a unit cell of reciprocal lattice is increases. That's why it is inversely proportional to the direct lattice. From which we conclude the direct lattice is the reciprocal of its own reciprocal lattice. Finally, simple cubic lattice is its own reciprocal. Example, BCC and FCC lattices are reciprocal to each other. So these are the properties of the reciprocal lattice. So in this video, first we see the statement of the reciprocal lattice, then explanation about the reciprocal lattice. Finally, we can discuss the properties of the reciprocal lattice.